Hey everybody, it's Ellen. Ever wished you had a super smart friend to chat with anytime? Well, guess what? Now you do. Meet ChatGPT, your new BFF, best friend forever in the digital world. ChatGPT is like magic. You can ask it anything, and I mean anything. Need help writing a poem? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want to know the capital of Uzbekistan? ChatGPT knows that too. This amazing tool is here to make your life easier and a whole lot more fun. And guess what? Using it on your Windows 11 computer is a piece of cake. So are you ready to unlock the incredible world of ChatGPT? Let's dive in. First things first, let's open up our web browser. This is the gateway to the vast world of the internet, where endless possibilities await. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, the process is the same. Just click on that familiar icon and watch as the digital world unfolds before your eyes. You know, the one you use to watch funny cat videos? Those adorable, hilarious clips that never fail to brighten your day. The internet is full of such delightful distractions, but today, we're on a mission to do something even more exciting. That's the one. Now type in ChatGPT in the address bar and hit enter. It's as simple as that. Just a few keystrokes and you're on your way to discovering a whole new world of AI-powered conversations. Imagine the possibilities as you press those keys, each one bringing you closer to an incredible experience. See? Told you it was easy. With just a single press of the enter key, you're transported to the ChatGPT website. It's like opening a door to a room filled with endless knowledge and creativity, all at your fingertips. You'll find yourself on the ChatGPT website, ready to unleash the power of AI. The sleek, futuristic design of the site hints at the advanced technology behind it. As you navigate through the pages, you'll feel a sense of excitement and anticipation building up. If it's your first time here, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be set up in no time. Think of it as creating a key that unlocks the door to a world of endless possibilities. Don't worry, it's super quick. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to dive into the world of ChatGPT. The streamlined process ensures that you spend less time setting up and more time exploring and interacting with the AI. Just follow the instructions, and you'll be chatting with ChatGPT in no time. The step-by-step guide makes it easy, even if you're not tech-savvy. Each step is clearly explained, ensuring that you won't get lost along the way. Once you're all logged in, get ready for some fun. The interface is designed to be intuitive and engaging, making it easy to start your first conversation. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can get started and how enjoyable the experience is. Type in your questions or requests, and ChatGPT will amaze you with its brilliance. Whether you're looking for information, creative ideas, or just some friendly banter, ChatGPT is ready to deliver. The AI's responses are not only accurate, but also engaging and thought-provoking. It's like having a genius friend just a click away. Imagine having access to a vast reservoir of knowledge and creativity, always ready to assist you. With ChatGPT, you're never alone in your quest for information and inspiration. So go ahead, start typing, and let the magic unfold. Want to access ChatGPT faster than you can say artificial intelligence? I got you. Imagine having the power of advanced AI right at your fingertips, ready to assist you with any query or task you have. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's make that a reality. Let's create a shortcut right on your desktop. This way, you can access ChatGPT in an instant, without having to go through the hassle of opening your browser and typing in the URL every single time. It's all about convenience and efficiency. It's like having ChatGPT on speed dial. Just like you have your favorite contacts saved for quick access, you can have ChatGPT ready to go with just a double click. Imagine the time you'll save and the ease of having such a powerful tool always within reach. First, open your web browser and log into ChatGPT, just like we did before. This step is crucial because we need to be logged in to create the shortcut. Make sure you use your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other. Now, look for those three little dots in the top right corner of your browser window. Go on, click them. These dots are your gateway to a world of settings and options that can make your browsing experience much smoother and more personalized. See the option that says Create Shortcut? This is the magic button that will transform your ChatGPT experience. By creating a shortcut, you're essentially bookmarking the page, but in a more accessible and visually appealing way. That's our ticket to ChatGPT Express. Click it and voila! In just a few seconds, you'll have a direct link to ChatGPT right on your desktop. No more navigating through multiple tabs or searching for the website. It's all about making your life easier. You'll have a shiny new ChatGPT icon right on your desktop. This icon is your new best friend, always ready to help you with writing, brainstorming, coding, or just answering any random questions you might have. Now, whenever you need a dose of ChatGPT magic, just double-click that icon and you're there. It's like having a personal assistant who is always on standby, ready to jump in and help you out at a moment's notice. No more searching, no more waiting, just pure ChatGPT goodness at your fingertips. Whether you're working on a project, writing an email, or just curious about something, ChatGPT is there to make your life easier and more efficient. So go ahead, set up that shortcut and enjoy the seamless experience of having ChatGPT just a click away. Section 4. Electron App ChatGPT in its own little house. Imagine having ChatGPT, your very own virtual assistant, right there on your computer, ready to help you whenever you need it. It's like giving ChatGPT its own cozy little home where it can live and work just for you. Want to give ChatGPT its very own home on your computer? You got it! It's easier than you might think. With just a few steps, you can have ChatGPT installed and running smoothly on your device. There's this cool thing called an Electron app, which is a framework that allows you to create native applications with web technologies like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. And it's perfect for that. Electron apps are known for their flexibility and ease of use, making them an ideal choice for setting up ChatGPT on your computer. Imagine a cozy little app just for ChatGPT. How cool is that? It's like building a digital house where ChatGPT can reside, ready to assist you with tasks, answer your questions, and provide you with information at any time. Now, to find the perfect Electron app, you can do a quick search online. There are many resources available that can guide you through the process of setting up an Electron app for ChatGPT. You can do a quick search online. Look for tutorials, guides, and forums where other users share their experiences and tips on creating and using Electron apps. Just make sure to choose one from a trusted source, like you trust me. It's important to ensure that the resources you use are reliable and safe. Like you trust me. Trustworthy sources will provide you with accurate information and help you avoid any potential issues. Once you've found the one you like, downloading and installing it is a breeze. Just follow the instructions provided, and you'll be on your way to having ChatGPT set up in no time. Downloading and installing it is a breeze. Just follow the instructions, which are usually straightforward and easy to understand, and you'll have ChatGPT settled in its new digital home in no time. Remember, safety first. Always make sure to follow the recommended safety precautions when downloading and installing software. Always double-check that you're downloading apps from reliable sources. This helps protect your computer from potential threats and ensures that the software you install is legitimate. We want to keep your computer happy and healthy. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of having ChatGPT on your computer without any worries. So go ahead, give ChatGPT its own little house on your computer and start exploring all the amazing things it can do for you. Section 5. Staying safe and up to date. Just like we keep our homes safe and tidy, we need to do the same for our computers and our new friend ChatGPT. Always make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. Those updates are like vitamins for your computer, keeping it strong and protected. And remember those trustworthy sources we talked about? Stick to them like glue. Downloading from shady websites is like inviting trouble into your computer. And hey, if you ever come across something fishy, don't hesitate to ask for help. There are tons of resources and tech-savvy folks out there ready to lend a hand. Section 6. ChatGPT on Windows 11. You got this. See, I told you using ChatGPT on Windows 11 would be a piece of cake. Now you can chat with your brilliant AI buddy anytime, anywhere. Whether you're using the web app, a handy-dandy shortcut, or a dedicated Electron app, ChatGPT is always ready to amaze and assist. So go on, explore the incredible world of ChatGPT, ask those burning questions, and have some fun. And hey, if you come up with any hilarious conversations, you know where to find me.